Hey there, content creators. Today we're going to talk about ChatGPT, the fancy AI language model that can help you make content including YouTube videos. But let's be real, using an AI for creative content creation sounds like a robot takeover to me. So, let's explore the pros and cons of using ChatGPT and find out if it's worth the risk. The first pro of using ChatGPT is convenience. Let's face it, we're all lazy. And ChatGPT can help us become even lazier, as it generates text quickly and relatively accurately. It can be an enormous time saver, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of video production, such as like filming and editing. So, you can spend less time typing and more time dreaming about being a famous YouTuber. Another pro of using ChatGPT is accuracy. ChatGPT is known for its ability to generate relatively high-quality, reliable content. This can be especially helpful when you're producing educational or informative videos. You don't have to worry about whether your script is accurate, because ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting for you. Of course, you will have to go through the outcome to verify whether it's accurate across the board. Finally, the versatility of ChatGPT is a huge plus. It can generate text on a wide range of topics, making it a useful tool for content creators who want to produce videos on different subjects. So, whether you're making videos about the latest scientific discoveries, or just trying to create the perfect cat video, ChatGPT has got your back. Now for the downside of using ChatGPT. One downside is the lack of control. ChatGPT can sometimes generate text that is inaccurate or irrelevant to your topic. It can be frustrating to have to edit and revise your content because ChatGPT went off on a tangent. But hey, at least you can always blame the robot if your video tanks. Another con of using ChatGPT is dependency. It's easy to become too reliant on it, which can lead to a lack of originality in your content. You might even start to sound like a robot yourself. So make sure you're not losing your unique voice and perspective. Don't forget that you're the content creator, not the robot overlord. Finally, there are some limitations to using ChatGPT. For example, it may not be able to generate text in a particular style that you're looking for. This can limit your ability to produce content that stands out and is unique. It's like having a very fancy hammer. It can do a lot of things, but it won't replace your paintbrush. Now that we've discussed the pros and cons of using ChatGPT, let's give you some tips to make the most of it. First, don't rely solely on ChatGPT. Use it as a tool to supplement your own creativity and ideas. It's not a replacement for your own brain after all. Second, be aware of its limitations and adjust your expectations accordingly. ChatGPT is good, but it's not perfect. And finally, have fun with it. Experiment with different ways of using ChatGPT and find what works best for you. Who knows, you might even come up with something unexpected and brilliant. At the end of the day, ChatGPT can help you save time, improve accuracy, and increase versatility in your content creation process. However, it's important to use it wisely and not become too reliant on it. As with any tool, it's important to experiment, find what works for you, and use it to enhance your content, not replace it. So, if you're a content creator looking to take advantage of the latest technology, give ChatGPT a try. Just don't forget to maintain your unique perspective and style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.